trying to move it. Okay, ready? Are you video?
Yep.
Oh yes. Look at me cleaning myself. Look how bright his feathers look. They look iridescent, eh?
Kind of. He's just enjoying this too. He's like, bath time.
I love my bath. Get away. It's my bath. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Oh, he like lost his wing.
Oh yeah, that's not... What are you doing with that? Get it away. I'm trying to clean myself. He's lost it. He's not getting out.
Scratch his head.
Yeah. Get back in that bath. Look how cute I am. Yes.
Oh, he's like spilling it all into his cage.
I know. He loves it though. Look at how much he loves it. Oh. Right up there.
That sounds wrong. I'm sorry.
Oh, he is so cute. Look at him.
Oh. I feel like one of those like cameramen. He's all like, I'm on camera. He'll get out and he'll go back in.
Aren't you tired of getting in water yet? My bird, you can't pay to get in water. Look at this guy. All his feathers sticking out.
Oh. Get back in there.
I love the feel of the bath. Oh. Oh yes.
He'll do this like all day until all the water's out of there. Done now? Nope.
He's shameless. He loves that. Oh, he almost rolled over. Look what a clean bird he is.
Oh, he needs my wing.
The cage is completely soaked now.
So I'm eating my camera.
Here, I'll take my hand off and see if he tries to push.
No, he'll knock it off on.
I know.
Yeah,
That's why I'll catch it before he does it.
No, he'll knock it off, and it's like 2 seconds and it's on the ground. Water everywhere.
What?
I don't know. He's too into the water right now. Like, you'll see, he'll try to move with his beak, and if there's no one holding it, it actually go flying.
He looks like a turkey. Don't go. What's that?
It's like right in the camera too. Just being silly.
Look how cute I am. I'm so cute. Look, fluffy. Oh, back in the water. Oh God, he's so wet, but he loves it. What a clean bird.
Alright, I think he's done. Nope. Okay, give him one more and then he's done, because he's gonna like drown in it.
He doesn't care. He likes it.
Okay, he's done. Yeah.
Oh.
She goes like, no!
I love it so much. Watch.
Wow, he's like so obsessed. Okay, put that away.
Look, now he's all upset. Where'd my water go? I want that water back.
Say bye.
Go on.
Say bye.
Go on. Oh my God.